That was quick. Chill, dude. That's a big old bucket mouth of a warmouth sunfish, which these are oftentimes yeah, that's a warmouth. It took me a second. This could actually be a hybrid also, because warmouth and green sunfish are very oftentimes confused as one or the other. But green sunfish usually have the orange and white tips to their fins like that. But this one's got some like copperish little scales there, which leads me to think that this is quite possibly a hybrid between a green sunny and a warmouth.